guys, I'm Aakansha and today I'm going to share my very quick and easy and super tasty Maggi recipe. So let's start. Heat oil in a pan, add onions and green chilies and saute till the onion turns golden brown. Now add all the vegetables of your choice and stir fry it in low flame till they are 80% cooked. Now add salt, red chili powder and haldi. Now mix well and let it ready. Close the lid for 2-3 minutes. Now add water. And add Maggi and Maggi masala in it. And bring the water to boil or until the water is absorbed completely. Stir in between. Before serving it, add a little bit of soya sauce, green chili sauce or red chili sauce as per your taste. And switch off the flame, your Maggi is ready. Hot and enjoy your Maggi. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends and comment down below what recipe you want me to make next, and I will see you next Friday. Till then, take care, be happy, bye.